grace, we get what we do not deserve. In mercy, we do not get what we deserve. Amen po? So, tandaan po natin that when we hear the word grace, huwag natin isipin na ito po ay isang salita lamang. No? Grace is not a word. Next. Grace is not a word po. Okay? But grace is a person. At meron pong pangalan yung person na yan. Everybody look at the screen. And his name is? Sabay-sabay po tayo? Jesus. With feelings dapat. Jesus. Ganon. Kung may feelings, diba? Ayan. So grace is not a word, but he is a person and his name is Jesus. And if you want, of course, we believe that verse is the voice of God. Di tayo pwedeng magsalita lang dito basta-basta without checking the Bible. Amen po. So, meron pong patunay na grace is Jesus. Let's look at Titus 2:11. Ayan. Sabi po dyan, for the grace of God has appeared that offers salvation to all people. Nag-appear daw ang grace of God. Sino ang nagdala ng salvation? Through Jesus. Jesus. Jesus is the grace of God. Amen po? Nauunawaan po ba? Mabilis po ba ako? Parang ako nagrarapin. Ayan. So, the grace of God has appeared that offers salvation. Obviously, wala nang iba. This is Jesus. Amen po? And another verse. John 1:16-17. Out of His fullness, we have all received grace in place of grace already given. For the law was given through Moses and sabay-sabay ulit.
Grace and truth came through Jesus.
Came through Jesus. Malinaw pa sa sikat ng araw na ang grace ay si Jesus. Amen? Whenever you say grace, 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 you're also saying Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Amen po ba? So, again, what is the gospel of grace? Next. Wala, next. Okay. Ang gospel of grace daw po ay, meron na nilagay ko, alam. Ayan. So, babasahin ko na lang po. Ang gospel of grace is the good news about Jesus Christ and what He has done on the cross. That's the gospel of grace. Mas malinaw na po ba? Ito ay patungkol kay Jesus at sa tinapos niya doon sa krus ng Kalbaryo. Amen po?